Ellen Jug made a wonderful bird feeder that I am so happy that I was gifted. This also can be used by solar power, which I thought was very interesting. You can also charge it with a USB-C and it charges right with the camera. But how cool is it that all the videos of the birds that come to your feeder come right to your phone? It can be stored on an SD card or it can be stored right into the cloud. It's got very stable Wi-Fi connection and even has an antenna on the back. This was super easy to put together and to install. They also gave you many different techniques to place it where you need to place it, whether it be on a fence, on a tree. We installed ours on a tree because that's where we knew that we would have the most visitors. It will also tell you when somebody is at the feeder and if it's a person or if it caught something, and it also identifies the different birds. How cool is that? It'll tell you what kind of bird is there. It is a wonderful camera. The picture on the camera is absolutely beautiful. It is a smart feeder which allows for the food to drop as the birds eat it, which I thought was interesting. You don't have to keep refilling it. You can kind of store some stuff in there for quite some time, and the feeder will automatically dispense more food as the feeder gets filled.